Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Word. In this module I want to show you how you can use the navigation pane to manage your document, to find items within your document and to move chunks of text. Now on the Home tab the navigation pane is not active, so I need to do that, View, and then just tick the navigation pane on. You'll see it appear down the left hand side. Now what you've got here is the headings of this document. So basically if I click on any of these headings it navigates to that area, the heading title, chapter 3, etc, etc. So these have been created by me using heading styles, which is on the Home tab. So if I go back to the top, introduction, that there is heading 1. This one, if I highlight it, is heading 2. So as long as you use those, you will see them appear in the navigation pane. Now if I click on chapter 3 and I decide for some reason that this chapter needs to be moved, I can just pick that up and move the whole chapter. See, it's selected it there, look, above chapter 2, and I'll just bring that back down like so. So it's quite quick to navigate things around or move things around using the navigational pane. Now the next tab across is pages, so this will just show you the pages of this document and you can navigate to each page as you so wish. And then you've got a results tab, which is not showing any results because I haven't asked it to search for anything, but I'm going to type in the top there Microsoft, and I know Microsoft is in this document quite a lot of places, so you can see it getting highlighted all over the place throughout this document. If I go back upwards, go up, it's quite a lot of places there, and you can see it's picked it up here, it's bold. If I go into pages, you can't actually see it on the pages, but if I click on the pages there you can just about see it highlighted in yellow, but also when you click on the page you can see it there. I'll just get rid of that for a second, back to headings so you see the structure. Now the headings that you've created through heading styles can also be sent into a PowerPoint presentation. Now I've added, and I've done a video on this, but basically I've added this icon up the top there from going in the drop down there, going into more commands, finding it, send to PowerPoint it's called, and then if I click that it just creates a PowerPoint presentation based on these heading styles. So it's opening up PowerPoint as I'm talking, and then if I just bring that window onto this screen you'll see what it's done there. It's created the same structure down the left hand side there. If I just enable editing, you've got the titles there. If I go to the View tab and click on Outline View, you'll see that same structure. So wherever it found a heading style 1 it created a slide, heading style 2 it created a bullet on that slide. So I'll just get rid of PowerPoint, come back to this. So having the navigation pane on the screen just helps you manage a document, so you don't have to do cut and paste. When I teach this to sort of like an intro level course, cutting and pasting sometimes causes confusion because people cut the wrong thing or cut that, forget to paste it, and then cut something else, so they end up losing that. Don't actually utilize the clipboard, which would sort of stop that problem happening. Anyhow, that's a different video. That's all I want to talk about in this little video, how to use the navigation pane. So hopefully it's been of use. Thank you for your time and I'll catch you on the next one.